Okay, so hello everyone. So we're gonna graph the following function. F of x equals 2 to the x minus 3 minus 1. So basically, one of the things that I really want to emphasize here is that the negative 1 is gonna be, so anytime you have a to the x minus h and then plus k, anytime you have it of this form, you're basically going to say that k at y equals k is your horizontal asymptote. Now, what is a horizontal asymptote? That means that whenever you have a graph like this, it means that over here at this value is your horizontal asymptote. Okay, so that is the horizontal asymptote right there. So basically, we're going to go ahead and define. So first we're going to label our horizontal asymptote, and then we're going to go ahead and make a table of values to see where we can plot our points. So first of all, we know that k in this case is equal to -1. So that means that our horizontal asymptote is at -1. So I'm going to go ahead and label it with a dashed line, and that'll tell me that at that specific y value is my horizontal asymptote. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table of values. So now we can make a table of values. We can say this is x, and then right here will be y, and then in between is when I'm going to make the calculation. So when x equals, let's say x equals to 3. When x equals 3, we have 2 to the x minus 3 minus 1. So when x equals 3, we have 2 raised to the 3 minus 3 power, and then minus 1. This will give me 2 to the 0 minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So we know that it will have an x-intercept at 3, 0. Right, so that's one of my points. And it'll be going downwards because basically, because it's gonna have a horizontal asymptote at y equals -1. Let me label. Right? So the way that you're gonna graph it from this point forward is you're gonna try and try your best to not do, like, so basically don't do 1 or 2 because those are going to give you negative numbers. Do 4, 5, or 6. So basically now we can evaluate for x equals 4. So when x equals 4, we have 2 to the 4 minus 3 minus 1. This is 2 to the first power minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So another point is at 4, 1. So we're going to graph it right here, or plot it. And the reason why I'm labeling it, guys, is so that you guys understand where it is. So this is 4, 1. This is 3, 0. And I know it's really, really small. The reason why I'm making it really small is because I'm going to make a curve at the very end. So once we do that, we have we can do 5 next. So if we do 5, we have 2 to the 5 minus 3 minus 1 power. This is going to be, or sorry, 2 to the 5 minus 3 power, and then minus 1, right? So we're going to say 2 squared minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, which is 3. So when x equals 5, y equals 3. So we're going to go ahead and plot that. So 5 comma 3, which is like right here. And we can keep going until basically it won't have any more, or it'll until it goes even higher than 10. So when x equals 6, we can say 2 to the 6 minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 cubed minus 1, which is equal to 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7, right? So when x equals 6, y equals 7. So we can plot that. So this is 5 comma 4. And then this one is going to be at 6 comma 7. Right? And we know, like I said, we know that our horizontal asymptote is at y equals negative 1. You can plot more points if you want, but I think that would be it for this one. Because if I do 7, it's going to go even higher than 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a smooth curve that goes up like this, and then it's like a really smooth curve, and you don't have to do it perfectly, but it'll go like this, and it'll really be close to 1, or negative 1 rather, but it won't touch it. So that is how you graph a what is it called? A exponential function, excuse me. So with that being said, guys, I really hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like, comment, and or subscribe. And also, guys, if you could please, sorry, give me a second. If you could please join my Discord channel, which is this one. It's called Algebrainiac. I would really, really, really appreciate it. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see